Ain't that what Gas Monkey says?
What's that?
Come on by and get you one.
Get you some.
Have you got some prices on these you won't call out?
No.
Well, I'm just saying, man, it's a nice one. So, take note. Be the only one you're going to see in for the near future right there. It's pretty nice. Should keep it, but oh yeah, that big old engine right there. You talk about an engine. Yeah, I forgot on the horsepower. It's economy. You can still see it on the water hopper right there a little bit. You know, enough to confirm it. Just saying. Oh yeah, we'll get this trailer hooked up.
I need to go.
Pull it on to. Pull it on to. You want it on this bent one? Let me have it back a little bit. Yeah, it's about where it needs to be.
Think it go nowhere.
Oh yeah. There's a welcome cat in the window. Who's your in? Oh yeah, I think he's burning wood. You know, there it is in the bins in the tote. So it looked a little. One is actually darker than the other one. Like really obvious.
Mm-hmm. Oh, then now that's coal right there in the back of this one.
Oh, up in the bumper.
Right here.
Does them other two have it? Yeah.
I bet they do them both, ain't they?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. No bolts on that.
Pretty good size too.
Bunch of steam engines here.
Oh, this is a case here. Well, you know, just converse here on YouTube. If you was in Portland, this is a camera ride this time of morning. Just take note. If you ain't here, this is what you miss. You know, if you're here, get you one. It's here. Everything you can imagine in this category, somebody's got it. You know. Just saying. Now looking at the shadows on the ground there, y'all can tell which direction the sun is. Be off to the east or that way. Well, you know, just talk to the world out there, ride by. You know, if you enjoy the ride, put a thumbs up on my channel page right there, and pass the video on to a friend, and they might send me $1 or $2. You give me a thumbs up, or just because it's a ride, not because this is what you're going to see early in the morning. You know, I can come back. The event is not open yet. Just the morning or before opening time. This is the, you know, experience it as it is. Leave a comment if you're here. The reason that I got this camera out, this video is, Elijah mentioned it this morning, conversation, is yesterday he commented on an engine that we heard ride by as to how good it run. And you know, I think that engine sound from the distance I was from it was on a potato planter or a hoe or a plow or some kind of equipment that I don't know what it was. So the reason for the video is to give my compliments to whoever built that engine, the person to do, and it was a comment that it will be by today, and we'll converse about it. You know, kind of looks like a back row at the carnival. You know what I mean? When the circus come to town, this is kind of what it looked like right here, I would imagine. You know, went to circus right now. So that was part of the inspiration. You know, it's multi-fold inspiration on me building my project ongoing. Not to astray from the engine sound of this hymn that I heard yesterday on a piece of equipment. And it was to be rated, I would suspect, as the best hymn I have ever heard run. Would you agree?
It sounded real good. To me, it sounded close to that black engine. Then when it was running, it sounded close to that.
Well,
30 like glass pack muffler or something. and it wasn't missing a beat. You know, it was every time.
It's a regular golf cart show, you know. You know, what you gonna say? Get you a golf cart, you know? Man, you're gonna need one. That's the purpose of it. You're gonna need a golf cart because the area is so big that you're gonna need a golf cart to get up there to the front gate all the way to where we're at right now. Is that about almost it? You know. What we'll see.
Get you a skillet.
I wonder where dude's set up. Run, is this run right here? It looks like they're rigged. No, it's not going to be. I seen the dude yesterday here. Let me see if